Introducing the industry-changing FJD Trion P1 LiDAR scanner. Why is this industry-changing? Because technology like this has never been available at this price point ever before. Let's take a look at what's inside. So if we open it up, okay, we first see our certification. You've got a handle with the battery inside, and then another handle with a spare battery. Okay, you have the main LiDAR sensor with a protective cover. And then for colorization, you have a 360 camera. And you have the charger, as well as if you look in here, there's the base plate that comes underneath the handle. The setup is very simple. Just take your scanner, add the handle, you add the base plate, and then the 360 camera comes on top with the short wire coming in at the top port and the longer wire comes in the camera. Now all you have to do is turn it on, follow the instructions, and you're ready to scan. This is what you'll do for the first start. You'll turn on the scanner on the side here. You'll see that it's blinking and it will turn a solid green once it's initialized. Next step is you'll turn on the 360 camera. On here we will check if the settings are okay. So we'll go to settings. You'll see that USB mode should be Android, so that's fine. And we should shoot on 5.7K resolution at a frame rate of 30. So our camera settings are correct. When our setup is complete, it's time to connect our controller to the scanner. To do this, we're going to make use of the output Wi-Fi from the scanner. So you'll go to your settings, into your Wi-Fi. You'll wait until you see the FJD P1. You'll select that. The password is FJD Trion P1, all small caps, and then select join. Just wait for it to connect. Once it's connected, you can go back to your FJD Trion Scan application, and then you'll say add device. You'll select the P1. You can say always allow. Now you just follow the steps. I'm going to say next step. And there it picked it up. So now we're ready to scan. As we start scanning our environment, we're going to say, let's say first start as our project name. Select the project name. It's initializing. Okay, once it has initialized, you can see that we are collecting data, and our Insta360 camera will also simultaneously start the video for our camera colorization. And once we're done, you can say complete. Your project will save. And as easy as that, you have collected centimeter accurate data that is going to change your industry.